weld and try not to stare too much into that
I'm
fire.
going to take a little bit of video here.
Again, if this was carbon steel going to it, you have to pay a little more attention because it's a lot of iron. It just get real hot.
Oh, you got sparkling. Yep.
I'll take it, go down and shake it a little bit, get rid of some of the junk.
So one thing I've never done is forge weld, but I'd like to try that.
That teaches a class on it up at our school.
That's the easiest way to forge weld, right there.
Yeah, yeah,
Two pieces you're trying to put together, that's real hard.
yeah, right.
You definitely need 2 people.
Well, that'd be the way to start out, just like what he's doing there.
That was pretty good. That's pretty well welded right there. I'll work a little bit with the hand.
You done with that little light? You want me to hit it with this light?
I'll just do the power hand.
Okay. So I forge weld and fine rod iron, forge weld is a lot easier.
Yeah.
If you're using steel, stick with 3/8 and a half.
Yeah. 3/8. Yeah.
Work it pretty quick because
Yeah. I use a lot of 3/8 and 1/2 inch though. I make shepherd's hooks and that sort of thing. And yeah, wind's coming right through the door now that I got that fan on. So I can feel it. Yeah.
That's pretty well. You can find that ball. I did a pretty good job of getting it down.
Yep.
So if anybody wants to play with this, I'll leave it set here. Get your hammer and play with it. Bend it, cut it. Another thing it does, it really cuts easy too. You got a hot cut. Cuts really, really easy on this.